Welcome back to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn about something how to identify the origin, plane, face, edge, and axis and vertex. In this tutorial, I will explain one by one all the feature and first I will explain the terminology of origin. What is the meaning of origin? The origin appears which two blue arrow represent the coordinate 0, comma 0, comma 0 in the sense of x is 0, y is 0 and z is also 0 of this model. Okay, here and the sketch model option in the sense of here when you open this part in the base plate, open, and this first you will select and go to open the part in position. Okay, this, and if you clicking here and go to sketch, see here origin is shown. This origin is also the sketch option and select origin appears in a red representation. In the coordinate x is 0, y is also 0 and z is also 0. In the sense of x comma 0 comma y, मतलब x in equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equals to also 0. The dimension of and relation of the model is only origin is identified. If you creating here, otherwise you delete here, back, right click and delete. Okay, you creating here some two here. Origin is also, see here, this is the x, y and z. Okay, there, here x, y and z. Okay, see here x and y and z coordinate, and okay, this axis is also created in with the help of origin. Okay, so there are the two origins here and here, the sketch origin and the model origin. Okay, go back. No, okay, then next point is plane. What is plane? In this SolidWorks, there are the three types of plane: front, top, and right. Plane are default plane in a SolidWorks. These plane are used for the purpose of sketching. Reference plane can also be created in additional the default planes. In the sense of, if you open this part and here right click and open. Okay, this part is open, guide way. Okay, this part is also known as guide way and rail is also here. This is the guide way. Okay, this is the important part. Okay, how to identify plane? Here there are the three types of plane: front plane, top plane and right plane. All are the plane here. Okay, this is the plane. If you are sketching any plane, select and first we will select and sketch. and then create any. Okay, here, see here, this is the plane. Okay, next eject this sketch, close the shape, no, discard and change the assembly. Okay, then next each face. Okay, face. So first we'll see the face. Face is here. This is the face. If you face here, face, front, right, left, right. Okay, so this is a face. If you want to click here and change the transparency, otherwise change the color, so first you will click here and change the color. Okay, if you any doubt, please ask me, and the sense of you will drop a message in the comment box. Okay, this is the face. If you want to click here and change the here face color, and then different face. Okay, this is the face. Okay, this is also face. Okay, in this model all the different types of face here. And next is edge. What is edge? The edge is the line of intersection of a multiple face. In the sense of edge is here, is the front and top. The intersection point is this. This is also known as edge. We can also select the edge of a different types of geometry is also created. Look like if you creating fillet is applied here, edges. First you will open and then back and change the apply the fillet in this edge. Okay, first you will select edge. This is the edge. Okay, this is the edge. Here fillet is also applied in edge. Okay, and apply here. This is the edge. I am also applying this edge on the fillet. Okay, save, no, change, discard. And last option is vertex. Vertex in the sense of corner point. This is the corner point. Look like this part here, corner. This is the vertex. A point at which two or more edges, one edge and second edge and third edge, are meeting. A point at which two or more edges intersecting is called as a vertex. Vertex can also be selected for the purpose of selecting the dimension. Okay, and one is axis. I will explain the axis in this part. Okay, axis is applied here. If you creating here some sketch here and normal, and here is the axis. Here is the axis, x-axis, and here is the y-axis. Right click. This is the axis. access point in this object. Okay, otherwise go to sketch, back, go to sketch. Here is the axis. If you want to creating axis, first go to line drop down and axis. Here is the axis, y axis and x axis. Okay, here is the axis. Okay, axis. An axis is used to create a sketch geometry or a circular pattern. A straight line is used to create a model geometry, feature, pattern and create an axis multiple way. One way to by including a two intersection, first and second intersection in the plane is creating axis. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my video.